Bro, I just realized my face cam was off the entire time. So all you could do was hear me. And yeah, it was on. The face cam was actually on the overlay. Wow. I'll be right back. Also, welcome back to another episode of Flood Escape. Nah. Smooth. Let's redo this again. So stay tuned for tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Shay Plays Flood Escape 2, part something. I have pretty much forgotten all about it. Actually, let's stay in here. It's nice and peaceful in here. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. It's a good thing I wasn't here right now because somebody boosted it down up to insane already. Somebody boosted it into insane levels, so at least I'm taking that break. I took that well-deserved break to go get a snack or something. So yeah. Wait a minute. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, see? Wasteland Junction is where they wanted us to go. Not me. Alright, hold on. Yeah, sorry guys, my face cam was off, so I completely missed everything. But yeah, as you can see on the screen right here, folks, I beat Poisonous Forest, and Strawberry Springs already today. We're on a roll. Except for when we've died a couple of times, and that's because I've died on Lava Tower again, even though I don't care about that I don't care about that one. I already beat it. But here's the thing. We still got Sedimentary Temple to beat, which I wanted to do. It's just we got lucky on Poisonous Forest. We got lucky. Poisonous Forest again. Hey, I'll take that. I'll take that any day. If I get lucky like last time... Oh, it says we'll be reset next round. Okay. That's fine. I've already beat this one, so even if it resets, I won't care. At least not tremendously. I won't care tremendously. Bro just fell to his death. Oh shoot, I almost missed the jump. I almost did. I almost missed that jump there. I almost missed it. That was with sheer luck I actually was able to do it. Absolute sheer luck. There, just so he doesn't suffer. This is actually kind of a cool song. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. Ladder, 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 ladder. Up here, up here. Let's go! We got another win. You just fall down first. What is this? We actually did it. Surprisingly, even earlier than last time. We got here at 1 minute 39 seconds last time I won. This time I got here in 1 minute and 27. I am surprised. We're actually cooking over here. We actually are cooking. We're cooking up something. Bud. How? How do you expect me to get up there? Okay. That's alright, that's alright. What was I expecting? We were carrying each other on our shoulders. Well, that didn't turn out too bad. Two players. Alright, I don't care if it's foggy. At least beat it. Oh, shoot. I don't know what my expectation was, but thought I was about to close. getting it extremely close. Excuse me. Not right now. Turn off alarm. Hey Google, turn off alarm. Oh, I missed a jump. Okay, construction thrills. I want to play Santa Mary Temple, so I need to boost the map to hard mode. At least, as best I can tell, that's what I have to do. Somebody's already doing that. Toxic Woods. Sedimary Temple is up there, but I can't get it now because I just decided to do it the other way. It's mirrored. I was cutting it close. Alright, let's just hope we get Sedimary Temple next. I don't care if I die multiple times here. Lava Tower, again. Oh shoot, I almost missed that jump. Not right now. Shut up. Let me up. Never mind. I ain't the last escapee. I'm dead. This is mirrored too. Two. Did I just become the last escapee? Yeah, I did. This numbass missed every given opportunity to do this. Good thing I know how to get out of here. Oh shit. I mean, yes, I am good at it, as long as I don't have any people slacking off in here. We're doing Flood Island. For making me look bad, I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing for your resolve. Bruh. I guess he did something. As long as there's no fog, we'll be fine. That's okay. It's alright. This one's okay. Did he just jump? Maybe I could beat my previous world record. I did it! All three of us survived, but yet we have a factory. We have a reset on the mode again. Moonlight Forest. Bro, don't jump in the water so early! Oh, that's what it'd be like. Alright. Zimblandity it is. And 3 dead instantaneously. We're actually on a roll now. We actually are on a roll now. We actually are on a roll now. It hit me right where it feels. Bruh, how are you able to do that? Bro's obviously exploiting. Bro's an exploiter. One at its worst. And one at its very worst. Yeah, you do it. You hacker, you cheater, you motherfucker. Look at him. Bro, he's cheating. This motherfucker's cheating. Yeah, just wait. I'm gonna get first place, and you have nothing to say about it. See? First place. You should be banned because you're cheating. Wait, is there a way for me to report? Yeah, I can. Your life is ruined now, noob for life. Hey, first place. I'll take it. It's a tie. Who gets to go up? Never mind. Strawberry Springs instantly won. Rescue Pioneer. Screw him. I don't care. I just want to get across this new map already, please. Once it becomes translucent. Why? Yeah, screw it. I didn't care. Oh, I never thought we'd play this again. After that last oof. I almost missed the jump that time. The bread and butter of nothing. I always thought, why... Well, we did it 2 times in a row. Let's go! Yes! That's 2 times in a row we've actually beaten Fallen. Yes! Of course it's me, just a grunt now. We have to split up. We have to split this in half. We have to split the workload. I almost died. Give me a moment, folks. It looks like the goofball just left the game because I wasn't there. Yeah, 2 votes. Dark Side Forest. Please, no fog. Please, no fog. You've got to be fucking kidding me! You have got to be kidding me! I said no fog! You shit! And just like that, I'm all by myself. It's just gonna repeat the same cycle now, though. I guess I'm doing another solo match on my own. I may be behind, but that's because somebody by the name of IPS just left the game after I quit. First place. Was he giving me the win? At this point, I felt like he was because I was like the only one in there the first time. fall equinox. The waters might manage. You think I was gonna die instantaneously? No, buddy, I did not. I am gonna be taking your first place league again. I was swinging above water. Yeah, he's got my back. The fact that the fact that he let me be first place 2 times in a row is surprisingly tells me that he's a friendly character. Who is this guy? Oh yeah, it's him. I'm sending him a friend request, so him and me can play if ever so desired. Alright, XL. Come on, let's do this. Yeah! Friend in the house, bruh! Just because he was being a friendly teammate, I'll let him have that. Yeah, and everyone thinks I am lazy. Oh, you got a button down there to push. It's up there, no. Is this it? Okay, this is the way up. I feel he's a very friendly teammate to have. Surprise, surprise. Okay, we made it. First place again. And, of course, the girl left. Okay. We'll play hovering enclave since I already beaten this one 3 times. I beat this one 3 times. So this one's okay. This one's fine. I've beaten this one 3 times. 1 in foggy weather. Oh, I got it. I almost thought I didn't make it. No, actually I did. Surprise. Alright, me and him are the only ones. Has there ever been a lost page found in this game? Patience is a virtue, but being a friend with someone who actually sticks around is another thing. Angel's back? The Angel? The Angel is back. The Angel is back. Is it the same one with the cosmetic, nope, never mind, it's not. It's a different angel. How do I know that? Because the other angel was a guy, actually. I'm almost here, Excel. Come on. Almost here, bud. Just wait for me. See? That's what a good teammate is. One that stays behind to hold. And he did just that. He did just that. There was no sedimentary temple, so I kind of have to rely on the outside. I got button number 5, dude. Don't worry. I just need to get back. Of course, the girl has to take my first place spot. Me and XL already played. Wait, no, we didn't. We didn't play Strawberry Strings last time. We're playing Sunken Citadel this time, though. Surprisingly, we're on map number 7 already. Surprisingly, we're already on map number 7. No boosting, no nothing. We've just been following the same strategy every time. Of course, she's gonna be one of those sticklers because she's gonna sit right there and wait. She's gonna sit there and wait for me. She's gonna wait for either me or XL to beat this. Okay. That's alright, that's alright. Bro, she left the get. Wait, no, she's dead. She's dead. She's double dead. She's double dead. She's about as dead as a doorknob. She's about as dead as a doorknob. Bro, he came out of nowhere. He came out of nowhere at jumping speed. He went he just bulleted down. He just bulleted down. He bulleted down like he went down like a bullet. He went down like a bullet. Alright, I got your back, bud. The lava has sunk. So now we can do this. I'm pretty sure you don't have to do that. Pirate booty, baby! Woo! Let's do talk. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. If I had an extra vote, we would have done this. Okay. Strawberry Springs is still in the books for us. I pushed the wrong button. Alright. Let's just hope I don't die on this one. Let's just hope I don't die this time. Last time we got super duper unlucky. We got super duper unlucky last time. Okay. You were lucky you had the instinct to run. You had the instinct to run. He had the instinct to run. Do 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 do. No! Oh no 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 no. See? This is one of the hard levels. No! I did so good that time. No! Okay, I guess we'll do Relic Valley. It's fine. Intensity will be reset next round. Even though it wasn't that bad. I guess it's after 10 rounds. It's pretty much Dunyan Rings. Hey, I would consider that a win because I'm actually getting better at the game, so I can actually achieve that 16 map streak. I could actually achieve it next. I think that's my next big plan, my next big strategy on the sleeve. Getting the 16 map streak. So far we're at 8, which is not bad. It was very rare for me to get 8 before. Now it's easier. It's a lot easier for me to get to map 8 instantaneously. Only because of my sheer luck. Only because I get as lucky as anything, really. Now I'm just taking the liberty to do this. Okay, we got someone by the name of Cheese in the back. No! I overshot! No! No! I overshot the platform! I overshot the platform! Alright, stay tuned for the next part, guys.